My graduation project focuses on optimizing line balancing.
I'm working here under marketing department and my project is developing a MCE, that is multi-criteria evaluation tool for vendor selection.
We are using some sensors and all for optimizing the machine.
So basically we are installing multiple sensors and observing the machine condition over here to prevent any unfortunate events.
My project is on fabric defect detection, aiding them to detect the defects automatically using computer vision.
I'll be grateful to Laguna for assigning me a project that actually pushed me to upgrade my skills.
I'm getting a very good knowledge towards the practical side of the fashion.
Have helped me understand how different functions come together to drive the industry forward.
Mentors are also very supportive in terms of guidance and helping.
And overall, I'm really grateful for this experience and I look forward to carrying these learnings in my career.